007. The name is Bond, James Bond. But today, it's not about espionage. Let's talk about AI agents. Mr. Bond has taken on a new mission. After years in the field, he has now taken a desk job. He has joined a managed service provider called Kaptius, who are helping customers on Azure-based services. Well, his boss was not really happy about his team's performance or the resolution times to customers. He wanted to do something on AI. So Bond reached out to his old friend Q. Q has showed Bond recent advert of ServiceNow, where Idris Elba was explaining about AI agents and the value that customers can get. Bond was a bit worried that Idris might take his job, but he took action and rolled out ServiceNow's AI agents. So here is a case created by Lucifer. The issue is regarding an application is running slow on an Azure VM. Let's see how AI agents can help Bond to solve this issue. This is ServiceNow's AI Agent Studio. This is where you can build your AI agents. These agents are designed to fulfill a specific task using the tools and the knowledge sources that are defined. And then you can group these AI agents as a use case to solve a particular business problem. Now, let's go ahead and try to solve the issue from Lucifer. The agent started analyzing the details of the request. We've got all the case related information and also the related entitlements and the related configuration item as well. And there are no changes or events that would trigger on the specific CI. Well, we have a recommendation. Looks like there is a knowledge article which says that we need to upgrade the VM so it can better perform the AI compute. And it also recommends that there is a standard change that I need to submit. Is being upgraded to tier 2. Now it asks me for an approval. I'm happy. Go ahead. It has submitted the standard change. It's done. The whole process is just done. Let's see what just happened to the case. If I go back, the case is now resolved. The resolution code, the cause, the resolution notes, everything is populated. And also I can see a change request. If I go into the change request, this change request is also closed and an Azure runbook was triggered to fulfill this change request and all the details are filled in. So how did this just work? If we go back to this Now Assist AI Agent Studio, we have these individual agents working together to resolve this case. We have 3 agents here. The first one, Insight and Planning Agent, which fetches all the details of the case, and then it searches for the change logs or the events and also the knowledge sources and comes up with a recommendation. That recommendation will be executed by the execution agent. So this execution agent in this case has submitted a standard change request for us. And then once that is done, the closure agent will make sure all the details are documented and also the outcomes are met. And then there is communicator agent, which reaches out to the user or the agent to gather their input. The orchestrator will first decompose or break down the whole use case into tasks so it can call the relevant agents. And once the relevant agents are called, the React engine will identify what should be done for this particular issue and which action to be called. And once that action is called, it brings in the right tools that are already defined. Tools can be your flow actions, they can be your subflows, scripts, or even ranks. The best part is you are in control. So you can define whether they are autonomous or supervised. So you have complete control whether you need to approve it before the agent go ahead and does something. Well, that's how Bond got the job done. Well, it's more of ServiceNow's AI agents who took all the heavy lifting. So now Bond's manager has said this: the duty of a company is to offer great experiences to customers and employees. I shall not waste my time in just using AI to write emails. I shall use ServiceNow's AI agents to see the complete value.